Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Sneha with me today. Nati CCL in Malayalam, first time test taker. Very first batch of Nati CCL in Malayalam. Sneha has smashed it. She has got 76 on 90, a very good score. Sneha, congratulations. First, you cleared your PT with 8 each, and now Nati. Very well done.
Thank you, Arun. Yes, thank you so much.
Sneha, very first thing which comes to my mind, right? A lot of students were scared because Malayalam was one of the newest language which was introduced for Nati. Being the first
Yes.
time test taker and being in the first batch of this particular language, what do you feel? How difficult is the exam?
First of all, I was literally very nervous, when I came to know that I will be one of the first person to attend Malayalam Nati, that too in the first slot.
Hmm.
Compared to PT, I think Nati is much simpler and easy to crack.
Hmm.
Yes, you need to practice very well, but I think everybody can easily pass Nati.
Hmm. Sneha, when it comes to the exam, what do you think is important for the exam? Is it the vocabulary, or do we need to focus on the message? Do we need to focus on interpreting the message? What do you think is important?
Yeah, okay. So, from my personal experience, I think understanding the message is very important.
Hmm.
When you hear a conversation, first you need to understand what it is all about, and picturize it in your mind. So that even if you hear a word which you don't usually use much regular, you can just use the English word itself. But
Hmm.
if you don't understand the entire conversation and you just interpret it word by word, it doesn't make any sense, right? So I
Hmm.
think understanding the message is very important. And vocab set, I would say, focus more on the words we use regularly rather than on the words, very rarely. Because
Correct.
if you don't know, the other person might not know it as well, right? But if there are words which we very regularly use, mostly the verbs. So I think you should focus more on vocab set
That's
for
right.
words which we use regularly. Yeah.
That's right. That's right. Guys, very important. Very important and 100% correct that we need to focus on the message, because if you'll just focus on the words and try to translate rather than interpret, you will just be converting or translating the words which won't even make sense. Your first priority is to make sure you convey the message. Worst case, if you have any difficult word, you can use a few English words as well, but your message should not be distorted. That is what you need to do to get a score like 76 on 90. So now you have taken a lot of mock tests, I remember. How important are
Yes.
mock tests when it comes to NATI CCL exam?
It is very important because I still remember, after starting the practice, within 2 weeks, I got the mock test and I was very nervous. I
Hmm.
was thinking, okay, I should delay it further. But after I, completed my mock test and got my feedbacks, the confidence level has increased so much after the first mock test. And then, I became a bit overconfident, I would say. And the second one, I think I messed it up. So
Hmm.
even if you do one conversation very well, there will be something else you will not have any idea how to do. So
Hmm.
mock test is very important because each conversation you will come with different set of vocabs. The length of the sentences will be different. So
Hmm.
I would recommend everyone to attend maximum mock test you can, especially the week nearing to your exam. It will be better to attend 5-6 mocks at least.
That's right. That's right. That is what I really believe is the reason behind your success. Taking regular mock tests, focusing on the message, guys. Very important. You take a lot of mocks before you go for the exam, because that is something which will give you a real picture. Because when you practice in the class, you have many students around you, but when you do it one to one in the mocks, that is your real performance. That is where you come to know what are the things you need to work on, what is your strength, and what you need to do to overcome the things you're lacking behind. Sneha, any final piece of advice for students out there? Especially this question I get from a lot of students. How many hours do we need to practice, and how do we need to practice?
Okay. So I started preparation around 1 month before NATI exam, my original exam, and every day just spend at least 1 hour.
Hmm.
So in my personal experience towards the last 3 weeks, I had find a study partner from Language Academy. team itself, where then that person was also having exam on the same day as mine. So
Hmm.
we created a study group and practiced the materials we had. So I would say to start 1 month at least prior, and every day minimum 1 hour.
Hmm. That's right.
Yeah.
So basically, yes, even if you practice 1 hour every day, that's fine, but you need to be consistent. Consistency is very important.
Yes, correct.
That's
Yes.
right, guys. Very important. Doesn't matter which exam you're taking, consistency is the most important thing. Make sure you're consistent. Then you practice properly, take a lot of mocks, and ask one of the expert to give you the feedback. Ask one of the tutors to tell you what you need to work on and what you're missing out. Plus, make sure you practice every day and focus on the message. Don't just focus on the words. Even if you miss one or two words in interpreting or using the literal words, that's fine, but you shouldn't lose the message. And that's how you get 76 on 90. First batch, first time test taker, Nati CCL Malayalam. Congratulations, Neha, 25 points. All the very best now.
Thank you, Arun.
That's it from this video, guys. If you are practicing for Nati, make sure you download LACCL app from Google Play Store or Apple Play Store as well. Or if you're preparing for PT, just register on languageacademy.com.au and start your PT journey. All the very best, and I'll see you very soon.